Remember when Nokia ruled the smartphone world, back in the days of black and white displays? After fading from the spotlight for a few years, Nokia is staging a grand comeback, with an epic 5G smartphone that's about to blow your mind. This beast of a phone packs a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera, the monster Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and insane specs that'll make any tech enthusiast drool. That's right, we're talking about the Nokia Lumia Max 2025. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. Buckle up, this is going to be thrilling. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia Max 2025 5G. Display. The Nokia Lumia Max 2025 will sport a stunning 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 506 ppi pixel density, and a 360Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth performance. It will also come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it both stylish and durable. Camera setup. In today's world, camera quality is everything, and Nokia seems to have aced it with this one. The triple camera setup on the back includes a 200-megapixel primary camera, with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 5-megapixel wide camera. For selfie lovers, there's an insane 50-megapixel front camera, perfect for capturing breathtaking shots. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Lumia Max 2025 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with an Adreno 730 GPU, ensuring blazing fast performance. And guess what? It will run on Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Get ready for a long-lasting experience, with the massive 7000 mAh battery. And the best part, with 90-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just minutes. Of course, it also comes with a Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Leaks suggest that the expected price of the Nokia Lumia Max 2025 will be around $900. And for the launch, it's rumored to be unveiled by the end of 2025.